Hi viewers, welcome back to Mithramma IT YouTube channel. In this video, I'm discussing about storaging from Blob storage to your Azure SQL database. Now go for your resource group. Now click on our resource group name Data Factory or G. Now it's navigating to all the resources what you are having. Now you are having a database and a storage account. Database having some server connection and storage account and a data factory. Now click on your database. First of all, yeah, yeah. This is the database right now. Just I want to click on here and open in a new tab. It's our database will open in a new tab. Go for it. Go for your resource group. Click on the resource group. Our database will be open in a new tab. Just go for it. Yeah, go for the new query. Just if you want to give go credentials, go back and go to your storage account and click on the new tab. And also data lake storage. Click on the new tab. Yeah. All this is a data storage. This is for our Azure storage account. This is our Azure data factory. Go for it. For the SQL database, click on enter your password. It's valid. Click on OK. You can see this is our database right now. Just collapse it. Go for a storage account. Go for your container. A container having input file. It's having the CSV dot customers.csv. I want to input this file to from blob storage to the our database. You can see the tables here, right? You can see tables dbo.dbo.ar dbo.address as sales.sales.st. Yeah, these are this table provided by Azure inbuilt. But I want to add here customer is available, right? Sales and the customer is available, but I want to add my customers table in my table, right? In the Azure SQL database. Not only the tables, if you want to create the storage account, views, whatever you want to create in your blob storage, you want to move, you can move from storage to blob storage to your SQL database. I will show you the demonstration purpose. I will create a pipeline for it. Copy data activity pipeline. I will show you in your data factory. Now go for your storage account. This is a file. Now go to your data factory, launch studio. It's a you open a new web page interface for Azure Data Factory. It's launcher. Just wait for it and go for it. Yeah. Now our studio is ready. Now what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to do the CSV file in the storage account container is move, not move, just it's giving copy data to our Azure SQL database. Here you can create it. Okay. For that, what I'm trying to do, first of all, I will show you and then come back. Okay. In Azure Data Factory and just I want to extend my screen for 100% zoom it. It's easy to look and our mindset will be not clumsy. Whenever it is clean, it's easy to grasp it and easy to understand, right? Yeah, go for author. And now what I'm trying to do, just I have to create a new pipeline. The pipeline just yeah, go for here and copy that activity. Yeah, just to collapse this one. Yeah, you can see. Just I want to collapse it. Yeah, it's looking nice, right? Yeah, that's why I'm doing collapsing and expanding sometimes requirements. But if you need requirement for the door, you can expand it and go for it. Otherwise, you can use this one. This is the way you can. Our mind will accept it. Yeah, it's okay, good. But if you want to expand this one, and if you want to do this, what it will be? It's not clumsy, right? Yeah, that's why I'm doing like. Now what I'm this copyright activity I'm do, if what I'm doing here in this just I want what I'm trying to write here in copy data, what I'm trying to do from blob storage, right? Blob to SQL database. Okay, from copy data from blob to copy, okay, copy data from blob to SQL database, right? This is the activity you're doing right now today. Now this is a pipeline. Now what I'm trying to do, pipeline you must to do giving the source file and sync file, right? The previous videos we can create data sets right from here. That's a good idea, but I will show you how to create from this place from the source. There is no sources available right now. Just I want to click here the source data sets. You can create data sets from here onwards, or otherwise you can go for our previous videos format. Neither go for blob. The source is blob. Click on the blob storage and continue it. The blob is having CSV file, right? Now click on CSV and continue. If you compulsory give the linked service, it's mainly required for it. Yeah, and go for the subscription, free trial, storage account, give it. And before going to that, test connection is very important. Go for test connection. It's valid and go for create. The testing is in connection. The testing is still in under connection. I don't know why it takes so much time. Just I want to cancel it and come back again. Yeah, go for linked service, create a new storage account one, yeah, subscription as a free trial, storage account name, go for it and test their connection. It's okay. If you want using the delay, go back and discard it and come back. It's taking too much time. Okay, successfully done. What I'm trying to do, just I want to select the CSV file from the input folder. Yeah, and select the CSV file. Click on OK. Okay. Now go for OK. Now our source sessions will be done, right? Our source will be done. Can open it. I want to set the delimited. I want to change this delimited to in this what is called blob story, right? Blob story is done. Okay, our storage will be right. This is our data set for the source. Go pipeline. Our source is done. Now go for sync. If you want to see the preview of data, you can preview it. Okay. Again, it's taking time populating of your preview of data. Now go for sync. It's taking too much. I don't know why it's take too much time. Go for sync. If you sync, there is no, yeah, blob is available, but blob is nothing but our source. Okay, don't select the source as a sync. So okay, I want to give is sync as destination part as our SQL database, right? Just go for, yeah. This is a preview of data from the source. Okay, now go for sync. Now I want to give destination part. It is the source part. Just I want to create a destination part. Our destination will be Azure SQL database, right? Click on Azure SQL database, connect it, and go for the linked service. Create a one. Yeah, go for free data subscription. Data factory server name and database name. Not to go for master. Master is another one, not ours. Authentication SQL authentication. Give your username. I you giving my username and set the password. Not set. I will give you the password. Not setting. Okay. If you want to give wrong password, you can see when testing, it shows its error. When giving I'm giving wrong password. Okay. Just wait. Just for your verification, I will show you. I will just for showing to you. When you're giving the wrong password here, it's showing testing is incorrect value. It's still on connection. Just to go for back and discard it again. So I think it takes some more time taking for me, right? I don't know. I want to create storage account 2 for this value. A free trial at a factory server, database name as this value, giving my username, I'll go for password. In this way, I'm giving the wrong password. Just go for check the connection. What will show? Yeah, it shows connection failed because I'm giving the wrong password. If I'm giving the right password, go for test connection. Yeah, it succeed. Okay. If you give any wrong here, our database, a server name, or a username, okay, it's not valid. It's not showing when I'm creating it. Okay, just wait. It's tables are not populated. Okay, you give the correct database and server name and user and password. Otherwise, you can't. Data not tables are not populated. Okay, and for this, I'm not selecting any tables. Just click on it and go for connection schema and click on OK. For the source of sync, I want to not select anything in this way. I want to enter manually. Okay, just go for none. Click on OK. Yeah, it's done. Now, what I'm trying to do here in the this is a pipeline, right? Copy data pipeline. What I'm trying to do from the source is having blob storage. The sink is our Azure SQL database, right? Go for here. Go for your first storage account. This is our file csv dot customers.csv. I want to see this file in table dbo.customers. Okay, I want to see here. What I'm trying to do now. Whenever I want to insert the table in this Azure SQL database, what I want to try to do, you must create a table, right? But there is no table is automatically created, right? Here there is one option available in Azure is I will expand it. Yeah, you can see whenever in the sync, it see here you can inserting in data. Now the table option you can create auto create table. Okay, whenever you click on this auto create table, it's automatically create a table for your perspective of your data. Okay, just just click on auto create table. It's automatically create in Azure SQL database. Just see. Okay, you can see also in database there is no table is available for the dbo.build version dbo.error. But when I am doing validate and add trigger, it's you can see one table is added by using our pipeline of copy data activity. Okay, just expand it for your conversion. Yeah. Now what I'm trying to do, just I want to do validate it. Any errors are available. Yeah, table is required for copy activity. Okay, but I am giving a auto create table. Okay, that's good way, but can proceed it. Just wait. I'm wait. It's asking to create table for sync. Just one. I'm give validate it. Table is required for copy activity. Then I give auto create table. Right. Just give the dynamic content for table. Mhm. Having given this table option. Okay. Just go for validate. It's still asking. Just I want to delete this. Click on auto activity. Okay. It's okay. Now go for validate. Again shows one error. Go for it. Just check for publishing. It's published or not? No, because It's asking a table is required for storage. Okay, okay. Now what I'm trying to do, go for none. It's not activated right now. So go for your storage account. Yeah, this is our Azure, not for storage account, our Azure SQL database. Now click on here. I have a query, and just I want to drag from my desktop. Yeah, this is the query I have. Just open it. There is a simple query. It is automatic create a customers table. It has bit of a schema. Just go for creating a table and run the, just I want to extend. That's where we can see very good way. Yeah. Just go for run. You can see our table will be succeeded. You can see the result. Okay. There is table will succeed. Just select the customer. What you have to create, right? Yeah. See the result. The customer table having nothing data. Just only the header will be there. Okay. The column headers will be there. Customer ID, customer name, contact. There is no data, right? Now what I'm trying to do, now go for your pipeline. Okay. Extend it. Now validate it. Close. Now in this sync, you must give our table. Okay, our table will be dbo.customers. You can see here. Okay. Now go for pipeline. Our table is really created, right? Now just validate it. Yeah, there is no error right now. You can see. Just go for once Azure SQL database. Okay. Now you can see table is there. Just again on I am running again. Just for your clarification. Go for customers. See that there is no output data, right? You can see from here also there is a table is now not available. Just refresh it. Or created table will be available. Yes, dbo customers is available, right? The customers table having nothing data will be available. Okay, go for a pipeline. Just now you're triggering it. Then see how data will be populated into our, yeah. Now just validate. There is no error. Now go for publish. What you're publishing? You're publishing pipeline and blob storage for in source and SQL database for sync. Publish it. Is publishing. When publishing and after publishing, you go for your triggering. And now go for manual triggering. Yeah, go for here and trigger now. I'm triggering what I'm trying to triggering. Table name, customers, right? Click on it. Or triggering will be run. I think it's trigger. Just go for monitor. Just see its triggering is successfully run or not. Yeah, you can see triggering is under process. Pipeline one. Yeah, it's triggering in the process. Just refresh it and check it's triggered successfully or not. Is still under process of triggering. In this, you can monitor is triggering successful or fail. You can see the status of the triggers. Okay, the success in progress or queue fail. These are the items you can see. Now I think successfully of trigger successfully. Now go for your Azure SQL database and again run this query. Select start from customers. Just I want to extend it. Here you can see all our data will be populated here. There is a, okay, you can see the having seven. Okay, the Indians will be available. All whatever data you're in CSV file in the blob storage. Okay, blob storage of a CSV file. All this data will be populated into my customers table, right? In this, if you after 1 hour populating after it, you can query also. Okay, so let's start from customers where what I'm trying to do. country, where country equal to India, right? Just go for it and run it. Here you can see, yeah, you can see there are two persons from India in the customers, right? This is the way you can populate our data from blob storage to our Azure SQL database. This is the process from copyright activity you can use in Azure SQL in data factory of your Azure portal. This is the way you can do the our copyright activity from source to sync of your from blob storage to sync. This is the activity. Okay. Now what I'm trying to do is in this video I will explaining the next video I will explaining the auto creating of table. Okay, just this is of this video about the next video I will show you how to auto create a table for the next video. Just go for the next video. I want to create auto create a table without creating any table in the SQL database. Go for it.